Hello all, welcome back to the YouTube channel, The Engineering Surveyor. Today we are going to see how to solve a tacheometric surveying problem when the staff is held uphill while the instrument is set at the downhill and sighting the uphill staff. This is the example. A theodolite is set up at point A and a staff is held vertically at an uphill point B. The reduced level of point A is 100 meters above mean sea level and the height of instrument is 1.5 meters. Using the theodolite observations recorded during the survey such as vertical angle and staff readings as applicable, determine the horizontal distance between point A and point B and calculate the reduced level of point B. Here you see the vertical angle measured from the z-axis is 85 degrees, 52 minutes and 0 seconds. The horizontal angle which is measured from north is 238 degrees, 24 minutes and 0 seconds. As you see, the instrument has been set up at the downhill location point A and we have to convert this angle alpha, that is the angle measured from z-axis, we have to convert it to an angle measured from horizontal line. Accordingly, we have to deduct alpha angle from 90 degrees as you see in this equation. 90 minus 85 degrees, 52 minutes and 0 seconds. Then the answer is 4 degrees, 8 minutes and 0 seconds. So that is the upward inclination theta. Okay, now we are going to observe staff readings. This is the staff reading. Accordingly, the upper stadia reading U is 1.044 meters. The middle stadia reading M is equal to 1.010 meters. The lower stadia reading L is equal to 0.970 meters. This is the calculation. So all the required data are shown here. Accordingly, the reduced level at point A is 100 meters and reduced level at point B has to be found by the equations. Alpha is 85 degrees, 52 minutes, 0 seconds and the theta is 4 degrees, 8 minutes and 0 seconds. Accordingly, the equation to find out the horizontal distance h is cs cos squared theta. As you know, the multiplying constant c is 100. The instruments are made such a way that this multiplying constant becomes 100. Accordingly, c is 100. S is equal to u minus L. U is the upper hair reading and L is the lower hair reading. So 1.044 minus 0.970. The answer is 0.074 meters. Hence, h is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.074 multiplied by cos squared 4 degrees 8 minutes 0 seconds. The answer is 7.362 meters. And the vertical difference. The vertical difference is the difference between the horizontal line and the middle hair reading. So that is V. So V is given by half into CS sine 2 theta. Accordingly, half into 100 multiplied by 0.074 multiplied by sine 2 times 4 degrees 8 minutes 0 seconds. The answer is plus 0.531 meters. Accordingly, reduced level at point B is equal to reduced level at A plus height of the instrument plus V minus M. So this is the general equation to find out the reduced level at point B. Accordingly, the reduced level at point A is 100 and the height of instrument is 1.5. Then the V is 0.531 minus 1.010. The answer is 101.021 meters. So that is the reduced level at point B. Alright, that's the end of the sighting uphill example. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell button for more of the very latest videos.